Hello everyone, I just received this 60 count package of pumice stones. Now that is a pretty big package and should last a long time because I actually have one pumice stone here now that I've used for months. So just keep that in mind when you order this package. This comes with 60. Now I was sent this in exchange for this review. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at these. These are covered individually, and that's a great thing because I actually do feel some of the pumice stone through this. So them being individually wrapped is actually a really good thing. Now what these are used for is to clean away lime, calcium, and rust. And you can do that anywhere you see that, meaning it could be in the toilet, it could be around the sink, it could be around your kitchen sink, it can even be on your pool tile, which I'm going to go ahead and take one out and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I just wanted to get an example of what you can use this on. See all this calcium built up on this? What you do on the pumice stone is you do wet it, which I did, and then you are going to rub on there to get that out. I'm just going to do it like this. So I'm going to continue to work on that and then show you the end product. Okay, and I finished using the stone and then I rinsed it off. Look at that. See how that hard calcium buildup just came off? Let's go show you another example. Okay, so one last example I wanted to show is using this stone on this pool tile. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, and just one last shot. I wanted to show how I did scrub it. Now let's go ahead and rinse it off and see if there's a difference. Okay, as you can see, the right side is where I scrubbed, and then the left side I have not yet. So it did make an indent in this buildup. So I'll keep scrubbing it, but I did want to show you what this stone could do. Now remember, you do have to wet the stone in order to start applying. So I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.